Hello everybody, so today I will show you how to find this interpretation. So number 2, that is about 1 plus 1. This one, that is about identities. Next, we can use about interpretation by hyperbolic substitution. So I will put about s plus number 1 equals to shin t, because if I put this one gone here, we got shin t square number 1 plus shin t square, you got about cos t square, and later that we simplify the square root. Next, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So I will put this one gone here. This one, that is about this one. This one, that is about cos t square. The square root of this one, that is about cos t. Now we need to add about number 1. Later that we need to minus about number 1. So this one divided by this one, so we have number 1. So the interpretation of number 1, that is about t. So we need to focus on this one. So we have the formula in here. So we need to multiply by 2e to the power of t on numerator and the denominator. So we need to distribute this one going here and here. So this one, that is about identities. So we need to use about interpretation by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So this one we change for u, e to the power of t dt we change for the u. The integration of this one we have like this, about u, that is about this one. So we need to return back to this one. The integration of this one, that is about this one. So negative and negative, we have positive. About t, that is about this one. So you got about t equal to option of s plus number 1. So I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.